In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect the Slayer Pro Wireless for the PlayStation 5 controller, how to connect the wireless Bluetooth device with your controller. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So I have made a short guide out of this whole a guide. I'm gonna show you in a minute how you guys can do it. So first thing first, for wireless Skullcandy headphones in a pairing mode, press and hold power button and Bluetooth or Bluetooth button until the LED flashes indicating pairing mode. Go to the PS5 setting. On your PS5, go to setting, accessories, Bluetooth setting, select Skullcandy in the list of the available devices and select your Skullcandy headphones to pair them. For wired Skullcandy headphones, plug in the controller, connect to the headphones to the PS5 controller using the 3.5mm headphone jack, and then go to the adjust audio setting, go to the settings, sound, audio output, and select the headset connected to the controller. So that's it. That is how you guys can connect the Skullcandy headphones with your PS5 controller. I hope you find this video helpful.